In today's video, I am going to teach you how to learn Miro. Miro is a digital whiteboarding platform for visual collaboration. Think of it as an infinite wall where your team can brainstorm, build diagrams, and manage projects together in real time. First, get comfortable moving around the infinite canvas. A Miro board has no edges, so navigation matters. To pan, right-click and drag to move across the board. If you prefer, hold the spacebar and left-click, then drag. To zoom in and out, use your mouse wheel or click the plus and minus icons in the bottom right corner. When you need to select and move items, press the V key to switch to the selection tool. This makes it easier to grab objects, reposition them, and keep your board tidy. Next, focus on the core creation tools in the vertical toolbar on the left. Sticky notes are the foundation for most workshops. Press N to create one, click to place it, type your text, and drag it wherever you need. A quick time saver is bulk adding stickies by pasting a list of text, which can instantly create multiple notes. For structure, use shapes with the S key. These are great for flowcharts or grouping ideas. Hold Shift while drawing to make perfect squares or circles. To connect ideas, use connection lines with the L key. Click an object, then drag the blue dot to another object to lock them together, so the line stays attached when you move things. For organization, add frames with the F key. Frames act like pages inside your infinite board, helping you separate sections of a workshop or presentation. Now use collaboration features when working with others. You will see collaborative cursors moving in real time. If they are distracting, toggle the cursor icon in the top toolbar to hide them. If you want everyone looking at the same area, click your avatar in the top right and choose Bring Everyone to Me. On supported plans, the bottom toolbar also lets you run a timer or start an anonymous voting session on sticky notes. To move faster, use templates. Open the template library from the icon at the top of the left toolbar. Choose mind maps for hierarchical brainstorming, Kanban boards for agile work, or user story maps for product planning. Finally, connect Miro to your workflow. Copy a range from Google Sheets and paste it into Miro to turn it into a grid of sticky notes. Use the export icon in the top left to save as a PDF or a high-resolution image. You can also link shapes to live tasks in tools like Jira or Asana. For efficiency, type N, then Tab to create multiple sticky notes quickly. Enable smart diagramming and settings to help Miro guess the shape you want. And use Lock by right-clicking an image or background frame and selecting Lock, so it does not shift accidentally. That covers everything you need to know.